Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you're new to this channel, if today is your first time discovering this channel, oh my god, you are welcome, and I am so happy to have you here. And my name's Joy, and on this channel I'll be bringing you latest news and gists. And if you would like to see more videos from this channel, do go ahead and click on the red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. With that being said, let's get into the video. Let's watch together.
Share this broadcast, I beg. Mona share and me go wide. Yes, very quick one, my people. My name is Ife Wanowa. I'm going to take Biafra, Birobo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land, Orogu province to be precise. I just wake up now. I stumble see Barrister Ejiofor updates concerning DSS, the Zoo DSS. They not give access to our leader. Make una not forget say our supreme leader supposed appear for court on the 26th after the capture and since that day. And since that day now, they say make we patient, make we quiet, make we not react, make we not fight, make we not do this, make we not do that. Now on the 26th, after our leader was illegally kidnapped from Kenya, we patiently wait on the 26th. Only God know how we fit survive till this 26th. Then this 26th come reach now, they not present our leader for court. Despite all the warning wey the whole world don send come, they not. After they ask that day, I say, "Na sure say Barrister Ejiofor, he don see our leader, or he don talk to her directly, person to person." Some people say, "Hey, stop saying what you are saying, doing this, that." Because the way me they reason my things, different from the one that they see una things so. Because they say, if you know how people be, you go know how you go take dey dwell with them. The reason why they say and they talk all this thing when they talk now be say. Those of them when they talk say let peace reign, more quiet, we are know what we are doing this, we are doing that. And they let not say now bon corner they talk about. Because our supreme leader is supposed to appear on court on the 26th. He not appear for court on the 26th. And then Bitanyanko give date and everything. Hours when our supreme leader was when Barrister Ejiofor supposed to go to our supreme leader. Barrister Ejiofor and family and member friends go visit our supreme leader. Now the time and date when they give Barrister Ejiofor to go visit our supreme leader, DSS now they let us know say he no go fit see our leader, and they put us straight to Biafrans all over the world. These people have done something to our supreme leader. If not like man they beat around the bush or made all this leadership they try to calm everybody down. These people have done something to our supreme leader. Take this word go back, it not go bounce. Something is wrong, my people. We cannot keep quiet. Enough of all this our play along. And protest alone cannot solve this thing. Protest alone cannot solve this thing. These people have done something to our supreme leader. We cannot keep quiet. We cannot keep quiet any longer. Say peace or peace or peace. No. The Fulani government of Nigeria have done something to our leader. The leadership of IPOB and every other people who knows that they in one way or the other, they try to get access to our leader. They don't get access to our leader should do something. And they say they are not say every month they will go, they shut. No. It's not enough. It's not enough. If these people refuse to bring our leader to court, and today for Barrister Ejiofor to go see our leader, they say Barrister Ejiofor cannot see our leader. My people, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Biafrans all over the world should wake up to the reality. Something is wrong. Cannot continue to the dead silence. Maybe they see things they go wrong. Our supreme leader cannot just be in the custody of Nigerian government without any of us seeing him. When I see the picture, when I see with our supreme leader, how our supreme leader look for that picture. His face was not bright. The man did not look bright. We cannot keep quiet. They have done something to our leader. Biafrans all over the world must be aware that they have done something wrong to our leader. And anybody that is trying to calm us down, they are in conspiracy with these people. Anybody being IPOB or you are anybody, you are in conspiracy with them. These people have done something to our leader, Biafra. Let us wake up to the reality. Unless we want accept, say, may they kill our leader, or may they do whatever they want to do to our leader, we not get any reaction, we not get anything. Because even the way our body language and everything is enough for these people to harm our leader. The way everywhere is calm, they say, calm. Is enough for them to hurt our leader. They have hurt our leader, my people. They have hurt our leader. Something is wrong. We cannot keep quiet. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Monday is not enough to do this thing. Declare Monday. We can declare many Monday we want. These people, they're not going to listen. They have done something to our leader because they say 26, may we patient. They not bring and come up with words. Now, DSS, Barrister Jofo supposed to go see our leader now. Barrister Jofo said they deny. Why they go deny? No, why they go deny? Make it not go see our leader. Why they go deny? At least 26 is they not bring a come. Maybe we assume say okay, it's that kind of mass standard. They don't bring a come. But why they not go let them go see my people? Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. If let me anybody comment your cut say shut up. Something is wrong. Something is wrong, my people. Something is wrong. They have done something to our leader. Fulani government of Nigeria have done something to our leader. Biafrans must act as fast as possible. Whether all of us want that, we die. It's better me all of us die. It's better me all of us die than these people to kill our leader. It's better one of us die. It's better one of us die. I'm not going to agree. 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 They have done something to our leader. I'm not going to agree. They're not going to agree. I'm 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 not going to agree. Mother, wake up, my people. They have done something to our leader. They have done something to our leader. I'm not going to agree. Mother, wake up, my people. Mother, wake up. Mother, wake up. I'm not going to agree. Nobody should tell us to keep calm again. Nobody should tell us to keep calm. My people, they don't do something to our leader. Anybody when they tell us to calm down is part of them. Anybody when they tell us Freemason na the Kanu is part of them. I'm not going to agree. We not going to agree. May they let them. I don't tell you that. I don't go believe what you see our leader for face to face. Say he cut up for court or he can't give speech or they bring a court. When I say they don't go fit killer, is a permanent man. Is this is that. When I see what did they happen now, who don't see our leader face to face? Who have seen our leader? Who have seen Nnamdi Kanu eyeball to eyeball? Who have seen him? Who have seen him? See, all these things they happen. I see the way that people were supposed to do the needful. See the way that they beat around the bush, my people. They have killed our leader, or something must have happened. If they denied Barrister Jofo today for seeing our leader, something must have happened. Yesterday, Boris Johnson he host Kenyatta for one place. Say the friendship, the love, and the unity between Kenya and British. Saying that something when they're not going to compare and nothing. Say why they come together now for the growth of Kenya, for the economy of Kenya, of all time. And some people they comment for them, they let all they know say Kenyatta they part of UN. And so what? Is Boris Johnson not aware that their citizen was kidnapped through Kenya? Okay, they are letting us know that make we go kill ourselves. Anything we like, make we go do, nothing they happen. They don't catch our leader, British can even tell them to harm our leader, say nothing they happen, say they go calm everything. They go calm everything. Don't tell me stop crying. Now so that they do since they stop crying, stop doing this. What is going on now? Where they got they go on now? Why they gonna refuse? Why they not gonna bring out court? Why they gonna refuse Barrister Jofo to see him? Why they gonna refuse Barrister Jofo to see him? Why? No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me control yourself. Now so that they bring control yourself. I cannot control myself. Control yourself. Have you seen our leader? Have you seen him? Have you seen him for the past how many since he was kidnapped? Have you seen him? If he's alive, let him bring. I want to see him. We want to see him. election. I don't want to hear that rubbish. I don't want to hear that rubbish from United. If they want us to keep quiet, let them bring them, let them see it. That's what I'm going to press people voice down. We're not going to press our voice down. We're not going to press our voice down. But we're not going to speak out. We're not going to speak out. Why? They don't get the whole of our leader. We never see them. I said, we'll come for what now? Come for what? Come for who? Ogbonna, please stop that rubbish. Stop it. Stop it. Stop telling me to calm down. Stop telling me that. Nobody get the energy when they use. Stop telling me to calm down. Nobody get the energy when they use. Stop telling me that. I want to see him alive. I want to see him live. Enough is enough. I want to see him live. I want to see him live. I don't want anybody to calm me down. Don't calm me down. You don't have the power to calm me down. I want to see him live. I want to see him live. Enough of our leader say, I don't want to hear it anymore. I want to see him live. Enough of it. Enough of it. How can our leader be in that place? We have not seen him. A movement that is over how many millions all over the world. Down in 26, we are supposed to see him. We not see her. Nothing. They said they even come out of the way there. Come and go to that place according to the information about the Barrister Ejiofor declined it. Declined that information saying a lie. Okay, now they're supposed to go and see him, which he promised us today. We all of us are patiently waiting to hear from him. Then the next thing is that the DSS denials of our clients. Just yesterday, but the Johnson met with Kenyatta. And they said, no, keep quiet for who now? Keep quiet, say make it not vex. Say at the demand from my leader, this thing. Who I want to keep quiet? Now you want to keep quiet. Now you want to keep quiet, Dave. Now you. I cannot keep quiet. Let it be that I speak. Let it be that I speak. And at the end of the day, you will not hear my talk. Let it be so. I cannot be part of. Keep quiet, and something is going wrong. I cannot be part of it. Let it be that I speak. The dead, the spirit of the dead Biafran should be awake. So the case he won't destroy una when he say keep quiet, so that will not be among. If the spirit of the dead Biafrans, if the spirit of the living Biafrans, the spirit of our forefather want to destroy those of you that is saying keep quiet, I will not be among of it. I will not be part of it. I will not be part of it. I cannot longer keep quiet. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. These people are taking our silenceness, our keep quietness for granted. Who does that? Who does that? They're going to come us down. They say they don't feel exactly wife. Then they use it Sunday go matter they divert our attention. Our supreme leader. So far we don't come. Our supreme leader. Mazuna the Kanu is in the custody of DSS. We have not seen him apart from the picture they brought out. And see how our leader look so weak, so tired. See how he looks so weak, so tired. You say I should keep quiet. Keep quiet for women in no verse. If you verse not go job for the woman in that show, in the craze, who be that person? Who be that person? When want me say make I not make a keep calm? Who be that man? When want me say make a keep calm? Who is that person? Who? If you not like more than that place, they do whatever they do. All I know is that they have done something to our leader. If not, when I take this matter, go bank, you not go bounce. They have done something. If these people are really scared of us, or they are trying to they know how they feel, or if not the way we are handling this matter, they're not going to go to the extent that say we should not see our leader after not presenting in 26 for court. Huh? For what now? No, for waiting. After not presenting for 26 for court, do you know what we felt on that day? Okay, because we not consider me that call the road for grand. Do you know how we felt on that day? You're telling me today again when I'm supposed to say keep calm for you. Say you be your name waiting. Say you be who? They have done something to our leader. The bandits and terrorists are roaming about in Nigeria. Nobody have touched them. Nobody have done anything to them. Nobody have done anything to them. Nowhere in the world where self-determination is a crime. But the Biafran case, Biafran people have fought their hands in between and their neck and let their leader to be captured like a criminal or like a piece of trash or like a rat and kept somewhere. And when if you want to talk, if you keep quiet, when anybody wants to talk, keep quiet. May they harm our leader and go scot-free. May they harm our leader and go scot-free. But if una go listen to what they tell una so, if I'm not even there in the position to the talk say, they hammer, they don't hammer. But nobody is more Biafran than me. Nobody is more Biafran than me to tell me when to talk and when not to talk. You are no more Biafran than me. He is no more your leader than me. If not like men and say, woman for come aside, he's no more your leader than me. That is why I'm raising my voice. They must have done something to our leader. If they refuse Barrister Ejiofor to see him today, my people, they must have done something to him. Biafrans all over the world, don't keep quiet, please. Mona, not keep quiet, please. Mona will not keep quiet like that. Mona will not keep quiet like that. A protest alone is not enough. Something needs to be done. Something needs to be done. Something needs to be done. British government, the Kenyan government, Nigerian government, they know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. And some people amongst us, they know what they are doing. They must have promised them. Don't worry, he will never get access, or probably something must have happened, my people. And they beg in the name of God. More will start to the act. More will start to the act. Nobody should calm you down anymore. Unless we see our leader, Koro. The only why they not bring her to court? Why they not bring our leader to court?
I will see you in my next one, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this video at the comment section, and I will see you in my next one. As always, thanks for watching. But if you have not subscribed to this channel and you did enjoy yourself, my God, go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. And do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Oh my God. Ciao, ciao. Bye. I love you all. Joy.